Hello children, today we are going to just have a brief description of Golgi apparatus, as some of you had some problem in understanding the Golgi apparatus. Now Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies are present in your cells. They are one such organelle and they are usually close to the nucleus, and the structure is something like this. These are the stack-like structures which they have. These stacks are known as cisternae, and there are two faces of it. One is a cis phase, okay, which is like this convex, and there's a trans phase which is concave, trans phase and cis phase. Now there are some vesicles which are secretory vesicles which transfers your protein, and it helps in transfer of your enzymes also. These small vesicles, they come out from this cisternae, okay, and then they travel in the cell. They function as a factory in which proteins received from ER are transported to destination. ER we know is endoplasmic reticulum. From endoplasmic reticulum, whatever they receive, they receive it, and then from here in the form of vesicles they travel. Okay, so this is your structure of Golgi body. Now Golgi apparatus in description. The stacks of flattened membranous vesicles are called Golgi apparatus. These are stacks like flattened membranous, okay, membranes. Function is basically stores, packs and modifies the products in vesicles. These small structures are known as vesicles. It stores them and then it is traveled. It temporarily stores protein that moves out of the cell through the vesicles of the Golgi apparatus. So whatever protein it gets from your ER, it stores over here, and then in the form of vesicles it is traveled and then it is transported out. Okay, they arise from membrane of smooth ER, which in turn originate from rough ER. Now they arise from membrane of smooth ER. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not have ribosomes. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, they have ribosomes. So Golgi apparatus arise from them, means both are interconnected, and whatever from here protein, whatever they get, they transfer it here, and from here it is transferred to the rest of the cell. Next, functions. They are involved in synthesis of plant cell wall. Okay, plasma membrane and lysosome. Lysosomes are your some of your organelles, and cell wall, you know, it makes up some of the compositions, maybe polysaccharides. It produces vacuoles which contain secretions, enzyme, protein, cellulose. Yes, the vesicles, it has enzymes, so it helps in your secretion of them. They act as an area for storage, processing and packaging of various cellular secretion. It helps in formation of cell plate during cell division. This is an important step, that it helps in your formation of cell plate during cell division. Cell division is one cell reproducing to give you more cells, which you will study in higher classes. So in short, what I can say is it has a more like a secretory function, and it is stack-like structures. So stack-like structures are known as cisternae, and it secretes in the form of vesicles. The vesicles have protein and enzymes. It is usually close to the nucleus, and it is interconnected with your endoplasmic reticulum. This is your Golgi apparatus. Thank you so much.